So if you are tired of weak audio and want the best output and immersive experience possible, then yes, today I'll be showing you exactly how you can do it with the ViPER4Android, which is one of the best equalizers for Android devices. So I'll be discussing everything starting from its installation to using it properly, so make sure to watch the video till the end. And if you are new to the channel, hit the like and subscribe button right now for more interesting contents like this. So anyways, let's start the video. By the way, before we begin, your phone must be rooted with Magisk and this is required to use ViPER. So if your device isn't rooted yet, don't worry, just make sure to check the rooting guide from the I button if you don't know how to root your device. Now the next step is to download the audio modification library Magisk module. This is really essential for ViPER to work properly and even if you want to flash any other audio mods in the future. Now once we have the module downloaded, we need to open the Magisk and navigate to the module section, and then we need to flash the audio modification library module. Once that's done, reboot your device. Now after rebooting, the next step is to download the ViPER4Android APK. So for this video, I'll be using the WST ViPER mod, which is my personal favorite, so we will be downloading the latest version from this GitHub repo, and once we have it downloaded, we will be installing it. So as soon as you open the app for the first time, it will require some permissions, so allow it, and then it will ask you to install the driver module, which will be required to make it work. So when we click on this option, it redirects us to the GitHub repo for the driver file. So we will be downloading the latest version, and once it's downloaded, we will be flashing the driver module the same way as we did with the previous version and then reboot our phone. Once the phone has booted up, open ViPER4Android again, and if you check the driver status, it says that it hasn't been initialized. So to fix this, we will need to enable legacy mode from the settings. Once it's done, we will play any music, and while we are playing it, if we check the driver status, everything works fine. So yes, it was really easy to install ViPER4Android. And now I'll be discussing the most important features to tweak your audio experience to the next level. So if you are enjoying this video, hit the like button and make a sub ASAP to support me. So as you can see that there are a couple of options. So firstly, the master limiter is used for boosting the sound. So if you increase the values, it increases the volume, but increasing it too much might cause distortion, so keep that in mind. Now the second thing is the FIR equalizer, and this is where the magic begins. So if you don't know that how to use an equalizer, don't worry, I'll explain everything. So when we enable the equalizer, you can see that there are a couple of bars in it. So firstly, the three leftmost bars are used to adjust the treble, or in simple terms, the crispness of the song. So if you increase them, it increases the crispness and clarity of the audio, and decreasing it makes the audio more deep. And if you ask me, then I personally keep it a bit higher for better clarity. Now the 4 bars in the center are used for controlling the depth or the mids. So I personally keep it a bit low because it reduces the echo effect in the audio and adds better experience. Now these 2 rightmost bars are used to increase the bass of your audio. So if you want lower bass, just drag them down, and for a bassy experience, raise them on the higher side, and I keep them a bit high because I really love bass. So I hope you have got an idea how the equalizer works, and by the way, you have also got some EQ presets right here. So yes, if you find trouble in adjusting the equalizers, you can use these presets. Now moving down, you get this option for Field Surround, which obviously by its name add a surround sound effect on the audio. So increasing the values add more surround effect in the audio. So yes, if you want surround sound experience, you can try this feature. Now next we got this differential surround, which basically splits the audio into 2 halves and adds surround effect on it. So like the previous one, you can also adjust the surround strength using this bar so as to increase or decrease the amount. Now you also get this option for controlling the reverb or echo. So if you want this kind of audio, then yes, you can use this option and you can control the reverb effects using these bars. Anyways, you also get this feature called the dynamic system, and when you click on it, as you can see, you get a couple of headphone presets including Apple and Motorola. So this feature is mainly used in adjusting the audio as per the headphone type. So I have personally used it, and before I used the Extreme headphone version 2 and this Unknown 5 preset for better bass And while we are talking about it, you can also adjust the bass from here. Moving down, you get this option called the ViPER bass, and obviously by the name you would have guessed that it is used to adjust the bass of your music. So if you want to increase the bass, just slide this bar to the right for rich bassy sound. Apart from this, you also get an option to customize the clarity or the crispness of your music using this ViPER clarity option. So if you want to add more crispness in your music, just drag the bar towards right, which will increase the treble. Now you also get this auditory protection which protect your ears by limiting the higher frequencies while playing music. And finally you get this speaker optimization option, but I personally don't use it because it kind of creates a mess for the audio quality. Now once we have covered all the features of ViPER4Android, it's time to show you that how you can load custom presets to fine-tune your audio experience even further. Not only that, but I'll also demonstrate the difference between having ViPER enabled and disabled while playing music, so you can hear the impact yourself. So when you click on this option, it shows the presets, but currently we haven't loaded any presets yet. So for it, you will need to open the ViPER settings and then click on this import preset option from here, and then select the preset from your local directory. So once you select the preset, when you go back and click this option, it shows the presets that we have loaded. So we will load the preset, and once that's done, it shows that it has been loaded successfully. And now let's play some music to figure out the difference, and I'll recommend you to wear headphones for better clarity. So you can clearly see the sound quality was way better when we enable ViPER while playing music. So just look, I only used the equalizer and it changed the game. So if you are thinking about presets, then don't worry, I'll list some universal audio presets link in the description for the best output possible. And obviously I hope that you have got an idea to tune your audio output yourself. So that was it for this video, and if you enjoyed it, hit the like and subscribe button for more videos and stay tuned for the latest updates. Anyways, goodbye and take care.